Eve. I have to keep her out here in the back garage for now. Don't think my mom's gonna let me keep her. I'm trying to find her a home. My mom said that I could take her to my house and feed her, but I have to put her outside. I really don't want to put her outside. I'm going to try and find her a home. Come here, Eve. Eve. She's too sweet of a kitten to leave outside. She needs her home. Oh, Eve. Right, Eve. Oh, she's too sweet. Eve, aren't you hungry, kitty? I really want to find her a home, someone to take her. Why, she's still sweet. She gets outside, she'll become wild, and then she won't have nothing to do with anybody. Get her some water. I'll be back.